Hey people, what's up? Can you guys confirm that you can see me and in the live chat and that you guys can hear me well as well? That would be just awesome. I do have here an audio test and everything sounds good. So I'll just wait for the confirmation from you guys. And thank you for being in this live streaming. Today we're going to have an awesome time. Let me see. There are so many currency pairs. Which one? I'm going to have some Q&A in regards to the BLWFX tool. So how's everybody doing? I see here William from Australia. I see Evangel. I'm sorry if I don't say your name properly, from Rwanda. How's everybody doing? Danny from Holland. Welcome everybody to this awesome live streaming. Hopefully you guys are able to enjoy it. This live streaming is actually gonna have two things. One is gonna have a training, well, it's actually gonna have three things: a training as to how you can make $100 per day using the BLWFX tool, which is a super easy to use tool. And number two, we're gonna have a Q&A where you will be able to fully ask any questions you guys want in regards to this indicator, in regards to the stop loss, in regards to the pairs, in regards to everything that you need will be in this training. And number three, I'm going to give away 2 license of the BLWFX tool to 2 people from the comment section. I'm going to give away 2 weeks to each of the 2 winners. 2 weeks of usage of the BLWFX tool to 2 winners in this specific live webinar. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I already have the website right here where I'm going to Is it too bright? Let me turn on the light. Okay, stop sending the same message or I'm gonna have to silence you, all right? Because I don't like spamming. All right, let me see where you're saying hi from. I see Jamaica. I see Guyana. I see India, Jamaica, South Africa, India, Maldives, Jamaica, Nigeria, Wisconsin, USA, from Wales. We have Nigeria, US, Philippines, Malaysia, Nigeria, India, Canada, India. Awesome. So let me just go ahead and read the first question. Is for how long should I wait after an arrow in MT4 has appeared? Because it might disappear after some time. Should I close the position if the arrow has been disappeared? No, you need to enter at the moment that you get the signal. If it repaints, because it usually doesn't happen, but if it does, then it will appear in the next candle. And this is a Forex indicator, so the direction either goes or doesn't go. That's pretty much it. Big fan. Thank you. Awesome. Wax. Ukraine, how you doing? India, Nigeria. Welcome everybody. If you're just joining in, and if you guys want to, of course, support this YouTube channel, make sure you smash the like button. I got someone from Guatemala as well from here. That's awesome. Diego. India, USA, India. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with this training. I'm super pumped, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. As you already know, in the left side of your screen, you guys will be able to see the actual live chat so that you can ask any questions you guys want. And it will be recorded so that other people, once you actually get to see the replay, you'll see all the questions related to it. So this is what we're going to talk about today, the BLWFX tool. It's right here. And in case you're not familiar with it, it's a Forex application that I just released on December 1st, actually. And the results are outstanding. Just this first week, I had a total of 7 in the money and 7 won trades and 1 loss. I'm going to show you right now the loss. It was actually from yesterday, but overall, we're profitable. And people are enjoying it. I've been sharing some settings or some results in the official BLWFX Tool Facebook group that is exclusive for members. If you're part of it, you can join. I sent an email actually, and when you get the welcome email, you get the link to the actual BLWFX Tool Facebook group, so you can be part of it. What to do when the ATR has only 3 digits after the dots or any other number of decimals, e.g. ATR 0? You probably are looking at some JPY pairs. JPY had 3 decimals. You ignore the last one. So that means that, for example, 0.257, the pips are 25. So therefore, your stop loss should be 50. Okay, that's the reason why. It's basically because JPYs have less decimals. That's pretty much it. Okay. So right now I haven't even opened my app today, because today I'm not trading. You guys know that I don't trade on Fridays, and I'm gonna give you an example as to why. Because I just missed a good profit because it's Friday, right? So this is what the indicator looks like in case you're not familiar with it. It's basically telling you when to enter, when not to enter, and I trained you as to where to exit the trades and so on, how to set the stop loss and the take profit. But if you notice, it's pretty damn simple. It's right here. Boom. I actually won this trade, but it closed around right here. You can see this one. Boom. I think I won this one. I don't remember. This one. Boom. I won this one as well, if I'm not mistaken. I don't even remember which ones I won and which ones I lost. This is the one that I lost yesterday. But if you notice right now, there is a buy option here, and most likely is going to continue jumping. This one is a GBP USD. This one I took it, and it dropped all the way over here. And this one as well. Take a look at the jump. And this one is a drop as well. So if you notice, all of the latest trades were actually wins. And that's not the most important thing. The most important thing is that the percentage that you made as an increase, or the risk reward ratio, was super, super high, which is awesome. All of them were more than 2.0. Okay. Thank you, James Cameroon. How you doing? How many pips you earned total already now after you started from this week? One thing I want to make super clear is that pips is not the most important thing. There is a huge confusion when it comes to how to measure your success in Forex, and it's not in regards to the pips. Who can tell me what is the most important thing when it comes to Forex? I've been teaching you guys this for the last few months, actually, as to how to measure your real success with Forex. And there's one key factor that is way more important than pips. Who can tell me that in the actual live chat? Let me see how many people can answer that question. And says, brother, inspired from your apps and signals group, looking forward to join learn. Thank you. All right, so I'm just gonna leave that question in the air. This is for the question of Somi George. Somi George, in regards to your question, risk management. There you go. Somi George says you got the right answer yourself. Risk reward ratio. That's the most important thing. It's not pips, it's risk ratio. Because look, I can win 1,000 pips in one trade but make 1% increase. Have you guys seen those traders who actually place this trade right here? Let's say this is a sell position, and they go like, okay, boom, and this is their take profit, 20 pips, and then the stop loss is 80 pips. Have you guys seen these type of signals? What does this tell you? This tells me that if I win this trade, this is my risk percentage, which is the 2%, and my take profit is actually this right here, 0.26 risk reward, which tells me that if I win that trade, I'm going to make 0.52% increase in my account, which is barely something, in exchange of losing 2% if I actually end up losing that trade, which is what happened right here, right? This is just a random example, but this is why you need to make sure that you're not supposed to just focus on the amount of pips. Yes, someone can tell you, hey, make 50, make 100 pips, make 1,000 pips, but they don't actually tell you what's going to be the stop loss level that that specific trade is going to take. Okay, that's one of the things that I love and that I worked really hard with this application, is that the risk reward was high. Take a look at the 1.5 risk reward ratio. It's right there. It can be 2.0. There you go. Yeah, it can be 2.5. There you go. And you won then 3, right? If you use trailing stop, you probably made more money. Does that make sense? So yeah, money management and risk reward ratio are the most important thing in Forex. I'm glad that you guys know this, and I see many people answering this, and that's absolutely amazing, because at the end of the day, that's what I want you guys to know, like the real thing in regards to business. So that means that all of the videos that I've been uploading are actually totally worth it. And have you guys noticed that the videos that have less views in my YouTube channel are these type of videos, like where I teach you exactly the real thing? Many people want to see just money. They just want to see profit. They just want to see, I don't know, they just want to see crazy numbers, and they just want to see a Gucci watch and gold necklace and a drug lord lifestyle and so on. And that's not what I do, right? That's why my channel actually grows lower than other people, is because I actually teach the real thing. So I'm really happy that you guys know this. Will this indicator work on small time frame, like 15-minute time frame? Yes, it will. Okay, so right now you pretty much know what the indicator is all about if you've been watching my videos. And here in this part of the webinar section, you will be able to watch the webinars. Actually, the latest webinar that I had, it was how to set the stop loss and take profit from the signals. The audience was very low and not that many questions. I'm not happy with that, to be honest with you, because at the end of the month, they're going to come and I'm not making money, but they didn't actually pay attention to this training. So that's the reason why I decided to make it here in YouTube, so that the majority of people can watch it. And even if you don't get the actual indicator, still you're going to get some knowledge that is going to help you make money, right? But here's the training in case you want to check it out. But take a look at my results of the week. This is a new, well, not a new account, but an account that I didn't use anymore, like that much. This is $89. I started with $79. And I don't really use Forex.com that much because the actual spread is kind of crazy. But take a look at my numbers. Ever since December 1st, this is the first trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 trades out of 7, I won them. So that's an 85% accuracy on the trades. And the one that I lost was only $2. Let's go ahead and do the math. 0.57. This one I closed it manually. That was my mistake. 244, 185, 331 plus 143 plus 294. These are the trades. Minus the 276 that I lost, I made $9.78. My account has grown. Let me see, 89. My account was actually $79. So I made, I think, let me see. Let me do the math. 78 times 100. I made an increase of 12.33% in my account. 12.33%. Have you guys done that in your Forex account? And this is just the first week. I plan to take this account to 1,000, then to 10,000, and you guys already know my process. But this is what I'm going to do just with the BLWFX tool. And did it take me that much of a time? Not really. I didn't take all the trades. That's one. I closed some of them manually. That was my mistake. And 3, I didn't do any analysis whatsoever. I just entered at the moment that I got the signal. Why? Because I created the indicator based on a certain analysis, and that's the reason why I trust it, because I created it, right? Let me get the questions. Use 10% of your balance and risk management. Hell, never, no. And if that's what you want to do, this is not the channel for you. If you're going to risk 10% of your balance in one trade, you miss 2, and that's 20% of your account. You're gone. that's game over. Okay, use up to 2%. If you really want to risk it, then go to 5%. But don't blame me if you end up affecting your emotions. Okay, 2% doesn't really play with your emotions at all. Let me see what questions. Thank you, Christopher. You designed this for scalping? No. It works for many time frames. Right now, we're going to review 5-minute signals, 15-minute signals, 1-hour signals, and 4-hour signals. All right. Obviously, depending on the time frame, that's the type of trading. 5 minutes is actually scalping. 15 and 1 hour is day trading, and 4 hours and 1 day is actually swing trading. Right. Let me see. Questions. I'm in the risk reward ratio 1.2 or 1 against 2. How many pips total you made so far after you released the indicator? The question is unrelated because I already explained it. So I don't know. You can measure it with the screen that I have right here. But let's go ahead and take a look at the actual trades. I actually lost this one. No, I didn't lost this one, but I actually moved my stop loss to this level right here, and it continued to jump, and it hit the new stop loss, which was in fact in profit, because I was actually targeting for a 4.52 risk reward. I could have closed it right here, and if I would have closed it in this area, let me see, around right here, I would have been at 2.83 risk reward. It was my bad because I was like kind of aggressive in this specific trade, but it was good. Okay, but I end up losing $8. Instead of making $8 that I had in profit, I ended up making $2.94. It's good. We still made money, but you get the point. And this one is the one that I actually end up losing. This is Euro JPY, and instead of going down, it started to go up, and I lost it. That's fine. It happens all the time, right? My leverage, on this 51. Is it better to be lower? Actually, I prefer 100 and above, because that way you can have smaller amounts. How would you set up the trailing stop? I don't actually set it up. I do it myself. I do it myself based on what I see, because look, when I'm actually looking at a trailing stop, where's the mouse at? There you go. When I'm actually looking at a trailing stop, I look at different things. One, I take a look at the trend. So I have a 50 moving average. I see, okay, it's going to continue dropping because, it's actually indeed dropping. But I want to see some support and resistance levels in order to know, okay, where it can be retracted. So this looks like a strong support line. And this looks like a good resistance line, for instance. All right, I'm not really doing a strong analysis. So I would say that I move my stop loss around this area because I know that it might retract to this area, but then boom, it's going to continue dropping. I don't know why I put it here. Maybe I just did a longer term analysis and it touched and I missed the trade. But that's what you do. You keep on moving your stop loss and your take profit all the way up until you end up being more profitable. I hope that really makes sense. Which time frame is best to go? With Forex, all time frames are good. How would you set up the trailing stop? Okay, I answered that question. Sorry. Can you please show the indicator in 5 minutes and 50 minutes? Yes, I'm going to jump right into it right now. This webinar might take, I don't know, let's say 45 minutes. It will be on the replay. Okay, in case you guys are wondering. Hey, have you smashed the like button? If you're just joining in, you should smash the like button if you support this YouTube channel and if you're enjoying this content. Then go with 51 if that's the only leverage you have. Can we use this for binary options? No. Use the BLW Turbo strategy. Which indicator would be best according to you? Okay, none related to the webinar, but use moving average. What is the setup for the RSI? Okay, so you guys are not asking questions in regards to the topic. So now we're going to move on and we're going to see how it actually looks like in 15 minutes. And this is super important because or let's say 5 minutes first. Let's go to Euro USD is my favorite pair of all times. So we're going to go with 5 minutes. This is the problem that I see with 5 minutes. the volatility is too much. Okay, I'm not saying it's not good, but let's see some examples. This one right here, it opened right here in this area. This is where the candle actually went. It went all the way up, so it might have hit already the stop loss. Then it dropped. Okay, let's say that we won that one. That's one. Then this one right here, you got it in this area, and it jumped a little bit, and then boom, it dropped. So that's a loss. And then you have 2 and 3 signals and 4 signals in the same area. It's getting all crazy, right? And then you have 1, 2, and 3 signals again, and you only win 1. Even if you win this one by 8%, you miss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 for 2%. That's 20% loss. That's why I don't like 5 minutes. Okay? That's what you wanted to hear. I don't like 5 minutes. 15 minutes, it's a little bit different and easier to use. Even though I do prefer all the time 1 hour candles, because it's easier to manage with emotions and in anywhere. Okay? But let's go ahead and take a look. This one, it dropped all the way over here. You closed it and that's it. This one opened right here. It got all the way over here. You closed it. That's good. This one probably is a loss because it retracted. But this one right here went all the way over here and you closed it. You made money. This one probably was a breaking even or something like that. And this one jumped a little bit. And this one is just beginning as of right now. I think some people are just going to answer right now for 50 minutes. But let's go ahead and take a look. This is the December 2nd. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 signals in 2 days. Well, one and a half day. So is it like more active? Absolutely yes. Of course it's more active, right? But like I said, it plays with your emotions. This is affected a lot by 3-ball news, while 1 hour is less affected. Okay? Let me go through the questions in case I have some questions in here. Could I use this tool in TradingView? No, only on MT4. So when you send a signal, but we on a different time zone, should we use them immediately as well if there are 4-6 hour difference? The markets move exactly the same all over the world, no matter about the schedule. Maybe my time is at 9 a.m., but your time is 22 p.m. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It works the same way. The market is the same. So yeah. How do I get access to this tool? The link is in the description, blwfxtool.com. By the way, for those of you who are not part of it yet, it's in the description, blwfxtool.com, and you can be part of it. Okay? But is that making sense to you? Which time frame that works perfectly with the BLWFX tool? To me, it's 1 hour. Let's go ahead and jump in 30 minutes. 30 minutes is working pretty much like 1 hour. You can see, you lost this one for 2%, but take a look at this amazing trade. Probably, let's say the stop loss was in this area. This is like around 15%. I would even say like around 20% increase in your account just in this trade. And here we have another example. Yeah, you lost this one, but boom. Maybe this gives you, I don't know, let's say a 10% increase. So just in these two trades, you have a 30% increase in your account. So this is the power of it. It works in 30 minutes. Yes, it works way better than with 15 minutes in 30 minutes. So yes, you can use it in 30 minutes. Now let's go ahead and take a look at 1 hour. This is the one that I love the most. Why? Because it gives me more time to enter my trades. It gives me a lot more stability when it comes to 3-ball news and so on. Take a look at this one. Won a few pips if you closed it. This one probably was a loss. This one gave you a few pips if you enter right away. This one gave you a few pips. We lost this one, but immediately it tells you it go to the opposite direction and boom, you close it here, you made money. You lost this one, but immediately it tells you, hey, continue to jump and boom, take a look at it. The tool works in a way that even if it makes a mistake, it's going to tell you, hey, you know what? I'm going to recover to you right now. So let's make 10% out of that 2% that you just lost. It's pretty cool, huh? I learned, let me see. I learned from you not to place bet when it's on the moving average line. Thank you. Thank you, John. Can we filter the signals with 50 moving average or 200 moving average? These signals are already filtered. You don't need to filter them anymore. Could this tool be used for indices? This is a very, very good question. Yes, it can be used for anything that you guys want. Stocks, indices, commodities, and as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and show you a real life example. This is Bitcoin. Let me just go ahead and open a new chart. No, let's go ahead and just use this one. Where was it? There you go. Let's choose Bitcoin against USD. Obviously, it's different, but let's see some examples right here. Probably you're not going to win them all, but take a look at this jump. Boom. Take a look at this drop. Boom. Take a look at this jump. Boom. Take a look at this small drop. Boom. Then we probably lost a couple of trades here. At least 3 trades we lost here, and this one was a win. And this one is active right now. It means that the Bitcoin is going to drop. If I were you, I would probably be aware of that. Take a look at this drop. So yeah, it does work for Bitcoin, right? Let's go ahead and see if it works for S&P 500. If you guys like stocks, sorry about that. And let's take a look at the last few signals. Boom. In the money, right? Or profit. This one is a loss. This one probably gave you some profit, but then immediately it gave you a new signal that is going to buy, and boom. This gave a few pips in profit. This one maybe a few pips if you actually were fast to close it manually. Same as this one. It went all the way over here. And take a look at the last signal. This was on December 1st. Boom. It keeps on jumping. So it works for stocks? Yes, it works for stocks. Let's go ahead and see gold. Take a look at the gold. Let me just go ahead and move the moving average because it gets kind of in the middle. But let's go ahead and see gold. Let's see December. This is November, but take a look at this signal. Boom. This is the asset that actually gives you like thousands of pips in one trade, right? So take a look at it. Boom. Yeah, you lost 1, but you won 3. And super profitable. It's not like you won 3, but yeah, kind of in there. And then you lost a trade for 1,000 pips, but you won for 100 pips. No, you actually lose a few with very few pips with 2% of your balance. And then you make 20, 10, 50% increase if you want to. If you're really good at trailing stop or if you're very aggressive, you get to do that. Does that make sense? Let me just go ahead and get to the live chat again. What lot size can we use in regards to the BLWFX tool? Depending on your balance, that's definitely a good point. And make sure that you check the video where I said how you can calculate your lot size on MT4. Use that tool, it's free. And you can actually choose what's the lot size for you to risk 2% of your balance. That's super important. Thank you, Wax. Thank you, Nicholas. Hi, Christian. How are you? I'm actually going full-time binary trading with the 2-minute strategy in the coming months. Awesome. Congratulations and wish you the best. Even binary and digital. Not really. How much is the tool? Check blwfxtool.com. The link is in the description in order to see what's the current offer. By the way, if in case you guys didn't know, when you get the BLWFX tool, you also get the BLW worth $99, but you get it 100% free. just because you get the BLWFX tool. And to me, this is super important because you're going to get educated not only for the tool, but also for the BLW Trading Academy. And that to me is the most important thing in the world. Hey, are you enjoying this live streaming? Make sure you smash the like button. We're going to have a giveaway, and I'm going to choose 2 winners that are going to get for 2 straight weeks access to the BLWFX tool. Then if you want to purchase it after the 2 weeks, that's cool. But I'm going to give you 2 free weeks of the BLWFX tool once we get to, let's say, 70 likes. Let me see how many people is actually watching this. 89 people. Yeah, let's get to 70 likes, and I'll go ahead and start the giveaway and choose the 2 winners of 2 weeks of the BLWFX tool. When we need to take the position, will it give signals? Oh yeah, it will tell you when to enter the trades, and you can even get notifications on your phone and so on. What's the period of the moving average? The one that I use most of the time is an SMA with 50 period. It's the one that I use in all of my charts, actually. Just got an idea. Should we wait till the opposite arrow appear? Probably this should say that the trend has been changed. Not really, because if you don't enter the position, let's say that it gives you a sell position, but then instead it retracts, then you can enter both, and you should enter both. But because if you actually wait for the retraction and the price really drops, you've just missed the position. It's better to lose 2%, but then make 5, 6, 7% in the winning trade. Is way better. So just take all the positions. I actually shared the training as to where not to take all the positions, but it's basically when you see that, you know, there's like a huge jump, and that usually happens during 3-ball news or crazy days, but it doesn't really happen all the time. It's in the training that is already in the members area. Do you share trading signals? Not here, but you can go to blwtradingroom.com. You're welcome, Melvin. Eagerly waiting for the giveaway. Yes, we're going to start. Cool, I need it. Awesome, cool. Can the tool be used on your phone, or does it have to be on your PC? You can use it on your phone. And if you activate a VPS, you can have 24-hour signals on your phone. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that on a future video. Thank you, Chris. Completely changed the way I trade. Awesome. I'm happy to hear that. Do you share trading signals? I already answered that question. Hi, bro. I'm from India. I'm in Laos. I see your video a long time ago. I'm sorry to hear that. Keep on practicing, man. Don't give up. Chris, a trendsetter for beginners. Yeah. Win to loss ratio. Is that a question? If you ask me, this tool has probably a 60 to 70% accuracy. And people will be like, whoa, 60%, that's too bad. They have 99 accurate products out there for like $100. Go ahead and use it. And the same, take the risk reward ratio is 0.2. You know, and when you win one trade, you make $1. And when you lose $10. Use them. Okay. This tool, yes, you will lose 4 positions, and that's 8% of your balance. But with the 6th position that you're going to win, you make 20% increase. So therefore, it's a total of 12% increase, which is what I did this week, right? And if you guys join the BLWFX tool, remember to join the Facebook group, okay? Because over there, I'm going to share my settings. I'm going to share everything, like screenshots and so on, where I'm taking the trades. Maybe when I'm doing some trailing stop, telling you, hey, the take profit, you can move it here. I think that it's going to continue dropping and dropping. So it's going to be super cool for you. Okay. Can I use any other platforms? Only MT4. You can use any broker you want, but you have to have MT4. It does only work in MT4. I hope to get it to show my family and help them too. If we follow, we can increase it to 80% accuracy. Maybe, yeah. You speak the truth. I try to, yeah. Which broker which broker would be best suitable for this? Any broker with MT4 is good. Trusted one. I have a list of trusted brokers in this area. You go to best brokers and you're going to find the updated list of the brokers that I recommend. What is conditional for $100? What do you mean? What is FTO, Chris? Sorry if this is not related to BLWFX tool. What do you mean FTO? What does it stand for? I'm happy to see you online. I have been watching you on YouTube and I'm planning to go for 5-minute maps. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed it. All right. So we are at 57 likes right now. So we are, let's go ahead and do it at 70. So we're 12 likes away and I'm going to start with the giveaway. I'm going to start getting the names right now. This is the way I do it. Okay. I actually get all the names right here, including me. All the names right here, even though I don't really think this is the whole list. Let me see. Oh wait, this is the whole list, I think. I don't even know. Let's see, live chat. I see very, very few names only. No, only for MT4. How to participate in the contents? I'm just gonna choose the people watching this streaming at this moment. You need to be logged in, obviously, on YouTube in order to participate. Otherwise, you don't appear on this list. So I'm just gonna choose the first one right now. I'm looking that there are just a few, which I don't know exactly why, but can you just type in right now in the live chat? Type in the live chat, otherwise you're not gonna be part of the participant. Just type in hashtag BLW. Hashtag BLW, type it in, and you're gonna be part of the contest. All right, just do it right now. I'll give you 60 seconds to do that right now. Yeah, the tool is very amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Bull. How many pips should we set for the take profit and stop loss? There's a training over there in the members area that is actually called how to set stop loss and take profit. So go ahead and take a look at it. No, Ahmed, I'm just not going to take you in consideration if you just type in a bunch of that letters, right? Hashtag BLW. Hashtag BLW. There you go. People tagging me and stuff. That's cool. That's cool. That's what you got to do. All right, so I think it's time, and it's time for us. There you go. You see, now we have all the participants right here. Perfect. So right now, I'm going to go to this tool, online, what's it called? Online random picker. I always use this. What's going on with this girl? So I'm just going to paste the list right here. And it's just, I'm just going to click over here, pick a random item, and the winner is going to be popped up. So are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and do it. I'm not touching anything. This is transparency, the whole world. And the first winner is William Lagos. William, let me just go ahead and get a notepad somewhere here. William Lagos. William, type in your email address right now. You have 2 minutes to type in your email address right now. And I'm going to get you the free 2 weeks of the BLWFX tool. 2 weeks of the BLWFX tool. I'm not going to show it to anybody. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to move this so that we don't see your email. Hold on. I'm going to move the chat right now. Because otherwise, people are going to see it. So show me right now. Show me your email. You got 2 minutes. And then I'm going to send you today. Within 24 hours, I'm going to send you the giveaway. Day trader, sir, can you explain about trailing stop? I understood. I want you to explain with real support resistance. I promise you, I'm going to teach that on the next webinar that I'm going to have next week in regards to the BLWFX tool. I promise you, okay? Unfortunately, right now we're running out of time, and I'm just waiting for William. William, you have 1 more minute. I'm gonna choose a new winner. I'm gonna choose a new winner right now. Oh, William already sent me his email. So thank you, William. You're gonna get an email within the next 24 hours, okay? Don't be emailing people and saying to my support, oh no, Kristen said, okay, 24 hours, okay? And right now we're going to choose a second winner, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I just want to William's email to disappear. There you go. So right now I'm going to choose again the name of the winner. Oh, William, what are you doing, man? I already got it. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Participants. And let's go ahead and delete all of this. Paste the new list. And again, pick a random item. Not touching anything. All right. The winner is going to be the winner. So let's go ahead and let me just go ahead and get my notepad though. Thuso Moremi, you have 2 minutes to enter your email address. The reason why I'm rushing you guys is because people actually create fake YouTube accounts just to steal the you know the price. So share your email right now. Let me just go ahead and hide the live chat. Yeah, William, I already got your email. Thank you very much. Within 24 hours, you're going to get it. So thank you very much. You can stop spamming right now. You know, the BLW, hashtag BLW. I do appreciate everybody being here in this specific live streaming. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, smash the like button. And Thuso, I already have your email. That's awesome, man. Thank you very much for that quickness. And again, within 24 hours, you're going to get access to the BLW FX tool. So my warm invitation, guys, if you wanted a tool to make money, now you have it, all right? I worked my ass off to actually get you this BLWFX tool. And to me, this is like super, super important for you guys to understand that this is not a tool that you find anywhere, okay? This is a tool that it's actually going to change your trading style forever, once for all, okay? So maybe if you can get it right now, it's okay, but you should get it eventually. I'm not lying here. I'm showing you my results, my real account, and more importantly, I'm training you as to how to do it. So I definitely appreciate that you guys were here in this live streaming. Smash the like button as usual. Support this YouTube channel as much as you can whenever I post my videos. And more importantly, don't forget to be subscribed for more videos just like this one. I do appreciate that you guys were here. I'm sorry that I couldn't just, answer all of your questions, but we're going to have more streaming just like this one. Thank you very much for watching this streaming, people. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.